Welcome to the amazing journey. From potato fields to the Lay's factory, where crunch is created.
Potatoes enter the advanced washing system. High-pressure water and rotating brushes gently clean every potato, removing dust and dirt, making them fresh, spotless, and ready for the next step.
Every potato is carefully checked through advanced lens systems and smart scanners. Each potato is examined for quality, size, and perfection. Only the finest and healthiest potatoes are selected, while damaged or imperfect ones are automatically removed. From here, the selected potatoes move forward into fully automated machines.
Now begins the cleaning stage. High-pressure water jets wash every potato thoroughly, removing dirt, dust, and any unwanted particles. By the end of this stage, every potato is fresh, clean, and perfectly ready for the next step of transformation.
The potatoes now enter the high-speed cutting machines. With precise blades and advanced technology, each potato is perfectly sliced into thin, even pieces ready to become crispy golden chips.
Next comes the most important part, frying. The potatoes are finely sliced and gently enter advanced frying machines. Here, modern technology controls every temperature and every second, turning these slices into golden, crispy chips, light in weight, rich in flavor, and perfectly cooked.
After frying, the chips move into the seasoning chamber, where a fine layer of special spices is gently sprinkled over them. Each chip is coated evenly, enhancing flavor, aroma, and making them perfectly crispy and irresistibly delicious. Now the journey reaches its final stage, packaging. High-speed machines carefully measure each batch, fill the chips into packets, seal them tightly, and ensure freshness and quality in every pack. Finally, the boxes are packed, ready to be delivered to stores, homes, and millions of happy snack lovers around the world.